Hi, I'm Jim Baker, Senior Electrical Engineer at Ventev, and today we'll be looking at Ventev solar enclosure systems and the production assembly area. The solar enclosure systems are complete site kits that come with all the necessary components to deploy independently of site power. These kits are stocked and available to order now. First, we'll look at solar-powered enclosure system for PoE plus Wi-Fi access points operating at 25 watts, SKU number 255737. This system comes with a 280 watt solar array made of two 140 watt 17.4 volt DC solar modules. Side of pole mounting structure with adjustable tilt bracket to support two 140 watt panels. This can mount to a pole up to 3.5 inches OD with the included U-bolts. A 15-foot array wire harness to wire the solar array to the enclosure. A 272 amp hour 12 volt battery bank consisting of two 136 amp hour 12 volt sealed lead acid PSOC gel batteries, which are maintenance free. A white powder coated aluminum NEMA 4X enclosure with stainless steel hardware and padlock latch. There is a DIN rail mounting for power electronics. The power rail includes a gigabit PoE injector rated for 56 volts DC, 25.5 watts max output for powering PoE and PoE Plus devices. Next, we'll look at a solar-powered enclosure system for PoE Plus Wi-Fi access points operating at 30 watts, SKU number 236772. This system comes with a 660 watt solar array made up of two 330 watt 34.2 volt DC solar module. Side of pole mounting structure with adjustable tilt bracket to support the two 330 watt panels. A 15-foot array wire harness to wire the solar array to the enclosure. A 220 amp hour 24 volt DC battery bank consisting of two 110 amp hour 12 volt seal lead acid PSOC gel batteries, which are maintenance free. An aluminum NEMA 3R enclosure with stainless steel hardware and padlock latch. There is a DIN rail mounting for power electronics. Finally, we'll look at a solar-powered enclosure system showcasing how Ventev can customize a solution to meet any customer needs. For example, a customer was powering an outdoor access point at 30 watts and needed 7 to 10 days of operation without the batteries being charged. To accomplish this, the system comes with a 570 watt solar array made of three 190 watt 34.2 volt DC solar modules. Side of pole mounting structure with adjustable tilt bracket to support three 190 watt panels. A 25-foot array wire harness to wire the solar array to the enclosure. A 340 amp hour 24 volt DC battery bank consisting of four 170 amp hour 12 volt sealed lead acid PSOC gel batteries, which are maintenance free. A white powder coated aluminum NEMA 4X enclosure with stainless steel hardware and padlock latch. There is a DIN rail mounting for power electronics. Ventev's production assembly area ensures that the enclosures are built to NEC standards, and our team tests each enclosure to ensure operation. What you see here is a UPS enclosure system being completed. This enclosure is part of the production line for the Cisco Design-In partnership. These systems consist of a battery charger with LVD, power supply, AC terminal blocks with landing for site power, AC surge suppressor, DC terminal blocks to power load equipment with RJ45 bulkhead connectors. Ventev enclosures are all pre-wired at the factory to decrease deployment time at the site. The wiring is inspected and a quality control inspector stamps the quality control sticker. The enclosure system is then tested to ensure enclosure operation. All test data is stored by the factory and the enclosure is assigned a serial number for traceability. Thank you very much for watching. If you want to learn more about Ventev Power Enclosure Systems, visit ventevinfra.com today.